Hi guys, welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can curate your cake drippings with no chocolate. This one is the easiest ever. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, click on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell. Click on all notifications to be getting alert of my video. The subscription is free just for you to be getting alert of our new video. Let's start. You only need 1 egg and a little icing sugar and food color of your choice. Crack the egg a little and separate the egg yolk. All we need is our egg whites. Mix the egg white a little and you start adding your sieved icing sugar. Please, there is no measurement for this icing sugar. Reason, some egg whites are bigger than the others, so you can't really know the right measurement for the icing sugar. So all you have to know that you need up to 200 grams of icing sugar. Keep adding little by little till your mixture is light and drawing. Add your desirable food color to it and you stir. You stir very well. You will use a piping bag and you add all the mixtures before you start piping. If the mixture is looking light, you can add a little more icing sugar before you start putting inside your piping bag. Here you don't need a nozzle, just only your piping bag. Open it a little and allow it to drip out little by little. If today is your first time of watching my video, you can join this lovely family by clicking on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell. Click on all notifications to be getting alert of our new video. We have more than 200 and something videos in this channel for you. Both our small chops, pastries, cake decoration, cake recipe, and so many more that you have been looking for. So feel free to check out other videos on our channel, and thank you so much for watching this video today. Thank you to my old subscribers. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you for coming around. Thank you. Bye bye.